Beautiful large one bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. It's the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. There's two closets on the entrance. There's one here, another one here. This could be the dining area. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. It's got dishwasher, microwave, windows in the kitchen, beautiful floors. Linen closet, bathroom all renovated, very clean. A large bedroom, it's got two windows. There's double door closet here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, lounge in the building. You have banks, restaurant, grocery shops. There's a few blocks from the express train, the E train and F train on Main Street and Queens Boulevard, the Van Wyck train stop. An apartment is a very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.